If your house creaks at night, it's probably the pipes. Unless, of course, the pipes start snoring. In 2007, a Colorado couple kept hearing scratching noises behind their bedroom wall. They figured, hey, probably raccoons or ghosts. Either way, it's cheaper than calling a plumber. But the sounds got louder and weirder. There were thumps, muttered words, even the faint smell of mac and cheese. Finally, they called a contractor. He opened the wall, expecting a busted pipe, and instead found a man. A real, breathing man. He'd been living inside their wall for months. Turned out he was the ex-boyfriend of the woman. He'd been sneaking food, using their shower when they were out, and even had a blanket tucked behind the insulation. When police arrived, the guy said, "I was just trying to win her back." Yeah, not exactly what Cupid had in mind. And here's the kicker. They only caught him because he snored so loud. The husband thought it was a demon with sleep apnea.